Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Habibur Rahman
I'm not Haliza.
and we are from UPB Bahasa Inggris Group 24. And today we're gonna talk about the impact of the technology on social life. So the question number one is, what technology do you think is the most urgent for you, our society right now, and why?
For me, the most useful and urgent technologies for society right now is the smartphone.
Of course, my smartphone, right?
Yeah,
And then,
because uh, we can use smartphone for many things like communication, study, work, and even for entertainment.
mhm.
Because we can, for example, we can listen music, watching movies, or watching funny videos.
Yeah. Is it? Is this the
What?
funny videos one?
Yeah.
Okay, you say you use your smartphone for communication and watching movies. So your hobby is
Watching
watching movies. Which movies?
movies. I like to watching zombie movies.
Zombie movies like Train to Busan, right?
Yes, like for example, try to
Oh,
listen happiness and peninsula.
Peninsula, I just heard that. What's that?
Oh,
What's that? Total.
okay.
Okay. So okay. The next question.
Uh,
Before that technology exists, how did people manage? How did people communication?
Before technology, smartphone exists, people, wait, people can, if people want to talk
Mhm.
with, to each other, they can use home phones
Yep.
or write letters or meet face to face.
Yeah. Like if you wanna play with your friend, you just come to their house and say,
And say,
"Ali, main yuk," like that.
yeah,
And
and then
they're the basic things we do at that. And home. Which what's your age when you receive your first smartphone?
I received my first smartphone when I was 12 years old, when I was in elementary school.
Which grade? Which
Uh,
class?
6.
Oh, sixth class.
Yes.
For me, it's I received my first smartphone in junior high school.
Junior high school.
Yep, when I use when I'm in the first grade in junior high school. And my first smartphone is Atan. I forgot the series. What series is that? What about yours?
Okay. My first smartphone is Samsung J2 Prime.
Yeah, legend one, right? We use Samsung. Everyone use Samsung on that era. And the next question is, what are the positive effects of smartphone?
Yeah, the positive effect of smartphone. The first, uh, communication become easier and faster because we can use our smartphone uh,
Mhm.
uh, for calling or make a video call with someone who live far away from us,
Mhm.
and we can share our moments instantly.
Yeah, we also can take our moment like this.
Yeah. Yes.
And what else? What else the positive effect is
Yeah.
that? Easier communication or Anything else?
The second I think is we can study online. We
Study
can,
online.
yeah,
Yeah.
we can join
Sorry lah
classes
sama.
online and
DIY dulu
can
tadi ada kalau
find information or books for our study instead of going to library cup.
oh yeah, oh yeah. Cause like in real life we have limited access to books or information like that. Even in the library they have limited books.
Yes.
So I also often learn from smartphone like YouTube video. Oh yeah, I learn English from with the smartphone. What about yours? You study English in your school or smartphone? Which
Um,
one the more effective?
I think the more effective is when I study English in classroom because we
Oh,
can ask questions
oh,
directly to teachers and give feedback immediately.
oh yeah, like that.
Because when we study online, we study English on smartphone, uh,
Hmm.
when we don't understand something, we, uh, we can ask question directly to teachers.
Hmm. Um, in my case, um, yeah, you're right. You can ask your teacher, but in my case, I don't have any friend that also like English like me. So I don't like learn English in real life in my school. That is why the online education is more effective for me. You say you use smartphone for search and searching. Which which search engine do you use? At Google AI or something else? Or social media?
Sometimes I use AI and social media like Instagram
Oh,
or
yeah.
TikTok.
Hmm. What's your opinion? What's your opinion about information in social media? Do you believe all of them?
Um, Actually, no, because sometimes the information from social media sometimes become wrong.
Yeah, it's hoax like that.
Yes.
And you don't wanna be like emak-emak Facebook who's always trust the social media.
No, I
Yeah,
don't.
of course we are Gen Z. And
And
uh, and hmm, what are the negative effects of the smartphone?
the negative effects we may distract by our smartphone when we like study online
Hmm?
and we like
It's hard to get focus on your study, right?
yes
Because we can
yes
distracted by social media or chat by friends. Oh yeah, I agree with you. And what else? What else? The another negative effect of the smartphone.
maybe the other negative effects of smartphone is when we spend more time on the screen, we get sick
Oh yeah.
on eye.
Okay.
Uh,
Hmm.
wait,
Oh yeah. If we spend our time with smartphone too long, we will get it will hurt your eyes, right? Like we will
Yes.
get minus
Yes.
like that or cylinder or whatever is it, and we have to use um glasses
Yes.
and what else used to
What else is I think I don't.
oh you just have to. Okay, next question. How does smartphone influence young people today?
The smartphone influence young people now. Sometimes to right way or bad way because
They become lazy.
yes, maybe the young people become lazy because they spend more time on screen.
Yeah.
And
Okay, will get we can be addicted to our phone, right?
yes,
How much time do you spend with your smartphone?
and sometimes I spend time with my phone, smartphone in about 2 hours or 3 hours.
Really? Like we have we have two or two until hours in campus, right? And then you you have to go back to your home or uh, out of the campus or whatever is it.
Yeah.
And what do you do? Either except the use smartphone till you just spend your time with your smartphone about 2 hours.
I just find
What do you do?
I just scroll my social media.
It's okay, and then like you say you just spend your time with your
Social
smartphone. It's about 2 hours until 4 hours. Uh,
three.
oh, till three. It's tiny, a little time. I think because mine is 5 hours. 15 hours, guys. I'm a phone addicted. What do you do except the using smartphone in your activity? Sebenarnya itu.
I using smartphone for study English. I watch YouTube
Hmm.
or playing games on apps.
Okay, next question. Do you think people can live without smartphone now, and why? Oh, why not?
I don't think many people cannot live without smartphone because smartphone is part of our daily life. Because many people include like older people or young
Mm-hmm.
people every day spend time
Mm-hmm.
on their smartphone.
Oh yeah, so we can do it because of so many people today communicate with smartphone, and if we don't use smartphone, we will get struggle to communicate with others people. Okay, uh, anything else or just like that?
I think that's all for me.
Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay.